Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Gotta make this quick.
I like how you suicide that one time. Oh boy, here we go.
Here goes the banana peels.
Rob's favorite.
Can't make me laugh because I shake the camera.
Imagine.
I'm shaking it anyway and I'm standing still.
Literally
Trying to stand still.
time slip inside.
Damn, you're such a bastard.
Great hour. Please with the block by you.
No! Fucking shit!
Suicide?
No, he
Where's the barrel spike?
Oh, over 2 at once.
What the hell? I was behind. Fuck that move with it. Oh my god. It's so. All of Meta Knight stuff is so pro. I can't even take it.
I mean, he's just annoying to fight.
This match has been going on for 1:43 so far.
Minute 43.
It's been going.
It's more banana action.
I'm guessing one.
Bro, will you stop? You're giving him away my fucking game plan, bro.
Oh, he
banana.
grabbed it!
Oh,
Wow.
Yeah, thanks. I saw that.
Oh, I just can't believe it.
always want a banana thing with you.
I'm starving.
Yeah, me too. I could go for some Wendy's.
If you had money, you know.
I just need to go to an ATM. Yeah, I'll pay you back. I got you.
You can just pay me in a burger.
Buy him food and he'll pay for it. Right to the banana peel.
Yeah, totally defeating the purpose of that tournament.
Oh!
That's off the course.
That shit hurts.
Did you slip out of that?
3:15.
No, you should have recorded the other match, Midnight versus Rob. Who was hurt?
Oh, the original color.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where does he get him from?
Throws him up.
There's a little in-mesh snack.
Oh boy.
Yeah, he has like Fort stomach like fire.
It's a close one.
No, not good.
You guys gonna finish this match before the memory gets full?
No.
No,
Probably not. It's too close.
I give this this will be over in like 6 minutes.
Yeah, and the banana feels really pull off this.
Yeah, it really do.
My top shortens it.
If there's no banana, that match wouldn't end like half the time that it did.
Come on, Nanners.
Nanners. There you go. He's doing it on purpose.
Is he slipping over there on purpose, Coop?
Yeah.
He's trying to tumble.
Oh.
He's trying to roll away from getting and he keeps slipping while he's trying to roll. It's doing the same
Or
thing.
maybe he's trying to knock him off his face. Like,
He's trying to give distance.
Yeah, while he's invincible.
Oh,
that'd be so stupid.
Oh, wow.
Oh!
Game.
That was fun.
And,
Alright, me versus Surge now.
Good game.
any words to the camera, Bo?
Get that shit out.
Victor? Victor has any words of victory there? Nothing to say to the camera?
Put it on the U.
You? Alright. Kind of long for YouTube, though, but alright.